What's up, y'all? We out here at Fort Yargo, man. It's freezing. It's freezing. It's got to be like 34 out here. I forgot to bring my gloves, and it's gonna be a cold one. It's supposed to get up to 70s, but boy, it's brick. But here go the new setup that I was talking about. I carry my reel with this right here. So I got a new yak cart, so I'm able to throw everything on this one cart instead of tugging it one by one. Man, lifesaver. And it's gonna allow me to make transport super easy. So we about to head out there, and we'll see. Oh my goodness! Already? Already? Sheesh! Already, y'all. The hammerjack, bruh. Second cast. It's about a 2, pushing 3. My battery low. Sheesh. My battery low, man. No. on the hammerjack. Let's go. Shout out to that boy Mark Davis, man. I've been watching his videos and he was like, bro, that hammerjack is the cold water killer, boy. Second cast, first cast, I almost lost it. Second cast, I ain't even reel it in and it was already caught, boy. One thing about it, I hate these treble hooks, bro. I caught a treble hook in the finger this summer and my fingernail just now is back. Not bruised, but I'm definitely about to throw this today if I can get it out. Man, that hammerjack is crazy. Hammerjack went crazy for me. Not even 10 minutes out here. Hammerjack smacked. I seen something right there, like some bubbles, and I was like, let me just toss it over there. Smacked it. Woo. Solid fish. I'm just hurt that I ain't got no scale, bruh. I gotta go get a manual scale now. Oh, shoot. That dog slide. Oh, shoot. Oh my goodness. It's a biggie. Oh yeah. I think it's a biggie, y'all. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Come on. Stay on. Stay on. I don't know where it's at. I don't know where it's at. I hope it's not stuck. Oh, I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Dang. No. Ah. That had to be a fish, bro. There's no way it tugs like that and it wasn't a fish. What the heck, bro? Ah. I want to say that was a big fish, bro. I ain't felt the tug like that in a minute. Whoa. Whoa. All right, y'all. Done for the day. One catch. It was rough out there, man. It was cold. The water was still cold. Just gonna be like that until it warm up. So, hey, caught one fish, decent fish. Scale died. Gotta go get some new batteries for that. But, hey, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm out.